More developments. Two small parties of the Sena-BJP alliance have given today's ultimatum to take a final call in the alliance and the number of seats given to them. Amruta Shedge, our correspondent, still with us from Mumbai. Amruta, the Shetkari Swabhimani Sanghata and Rashtriya Samaj Paksh also likely to take their final call today. Ramdas Athavale's RP likely to make a big announcement on its role in the Sena-BJP alliance. So we see that the smaller parties in Maharashtra sort of asserting their significance in the state, given the turbulence that in fact is taking place with the bigger faces in the state.
Absolutely, this is a very difficult situation for all the alliance parties. The small parties, basically RPI and Shetkari Sanghatan, they have clearly said that the both big parties BJP and Shiv Sena should come out with a particular decision. We are waiting for a long time. Elections are declared just 20 days in our hand, and we have to start our campaign. We have to start the candidate selection process. But just because NCP and Sena is not making the picture clear, they are continuously meeting the top leaders of BJP. Then Uddhav Thackeray, yesterday also Ramdas Athavale clearly said that we want some decision from both the parties. We are playing a role of mediator. We are talking to both the parties, but somehow they are not coming to a conclusion. Now they have given one day's ultimatum that ends today afternoon. So Ramdas Athavale, chief of RPI, has said that I will be taking a very important meeting this afternoon that will start at around 3 or 4 in the afternoon. And also the other parties are saying that we want clear decision from both the parties. So somewhere the pressure is building from alliance parties, small alliance parties, and also from inside BJP and Shiv Sena. But somewhere the meetings are taking place in Matoshri, in BJP also, but the conclusion is not there. All the parties are waiting for that. And Shiv Sena has clearly said, as we know that yesterday Uddhav Thackeray said that we will not give you more seats than 119. We have compromised 18 seats from Shiv Sena. Now we will contest 151 seats, and
right.
18 other seats we will be giving it to the other alliance parties. But somewhere the conclusion is not coming out, and because of that the other alliance parties are pressurizing both the parties.
Right. Absolutely. It seems like a politics of ultimatums taking place in Maharashtra, with now even the allies putting their foot down when it comes to the BJP and the Shiv Sena.